morning guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to do a full day of eating plus the workout that I do today. So it's 9:45 already somehow, but I'm just going to show you what I'm going to have for breakfast now. So we've got, this is just tea with probably about 50 millilitres of almond milk. Almond milk has less carbs than cow's milk, so that's why I have that. This is 50 grams of porridge oats with water, and I'm going to use some Walden Farms 0 calorie syrup in there for flavour. And then I've got my BCAAs, and I think that's going to be it. I might have to add some fats in, but I just want to log this into MyFitnessPal first, just to see how many fats I need. I've just got my pills in there, so I'm going to take, let me show you. So I'm going to take my multivitamin in there, my fish oil, obviously not all of these, CLA, I think that's in here, yeah, CLA, Hebex is like a hair, skin and nails supplement, and these ones are nighttime ones. Yep, so that's it. Okay, so I needed a little bit more fat than the rest of my breakfast gave me, so I'm gonna have a few almonds. I've got a massive bag of almonds from like eBay for really cheap. Now we're heading into the city to do some stuff, run some errands, and then we're gonna go to the gym, so I will record that for you.
Wanna be all saints, trying hard to be someone else. All we want is please, giving no time to breathe.
What's up guys? So we've just been running errands in the city. We've stopped to eat before we go to the gym, so I'm going to show you what I've got. It's not that exciting. So we just got plain baked potato with tuna and sweet corn, and we got some butter. Might only use one of those. Yeah, so I'll log that on MyFitnessPal, and I'll show you the macros later on. So we're going to eat this, and then we're going to take you to the gym with us. done. Now I'm doing sumo squats. My legs are already like jelly. Then I'm going to do probably some lunges. And then see how I feel. But I think, well, I'll definitely do some abs, and I'm going to do some cardio. So, let's go. Okay, what's up guys? I have to record this last bit on my phone because my battery died on my camera. Typical. Basically, this evening I went out to see my girlfriends who I rarely ever see anymore. We went to Wagamama's and I just completely forgot to film it, so I'm sorry about that. Got to see my friend brought her newborn baby and I just got really distracted, so I'm sorry. What I had was chicken ramen. It's basically one of the lightest things on the menu. It was about 514 calories, I think it was. So I had that and that's it for the day. Yeah, so sorry I didn't film that. That's all I've eaten today. It's not the best full day of eating ever, but I was out and about, not being able to eat really any prepared food, any food at home, so I thought it would be good to just show you you know, what I do in those situations. I will do a full day of eating with just prepared food shortly, but I am at work 5 days a week, so it will have to be another weekend. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'll show you my breakdown on my Fitness Pal. Just don't base yours off mine, if you see what I mean, because everybody's intake is different, so you can't really base it off mine because it won't be the same as yours. It just won't. Yeah, I hope this was helpful, and I hope this was helpful. Please like and describe. Yeah, good one. Please like and subscribe, and leave comments down below, so I know that you're real and I know that you're there. Please talk to me. I'm so lonely. I had to cut my gym session short today as well, which really annoyed me, but because I was going out to meet the girls and I didn't realise what time it was, I looked at the clock in the gym and it was already like 4 o'clock, after all my squats and lunges and stuff, and so I had to run. I had to run home and get changed and get ready to meet them I had to leave at 5:30 to meet them for 6, so I really didn't have any time. So that was a bit disappointing, but I did get a pretty good leg session in there. I just didn't get the cardio or abs portion in, so I'm gonna have to make up for that next week, but that's fine, I can do that. And yeah, so that is it, and I will see you in the next one. Okay guys, later. Here is the macros breakdown, the calories that I had last weekend, which is when I filmed this video. I apologise that it's taken me a whole bloody week to get it up, but there you go. I also realised that I forgot to show you this. I got a pretzel while I was out because it was a carb reload day and I was hungry, and I'm not going to deprive myself entirely. I'm eating really clean, as it were, apart from, you know, my refeed days, which is when I have a cheat if I want it, and I just eat a load of carbs. I eat probably double the amount of carbs that I would every other day on the cut, and that helps you to keep your metabolism upregulated, if you will. It stops your metabolism from slowing down, helps you to keep burning fat, so it is good to have a carb refeed. I try and eat clean. I hate using that word, but you know, I try to eat good, healthy, non-processed foods the rest of the time, and the rest of the day as well. I just add a few more carbs in there, so you know, if I choose to have bread or pasta or something like that, then so be it, that's fine. Yeah, so here we go. So I had BCAAs, Scotch porridge oats, almond milk and some almonds, and then the Spudgy like lunch, and then the chicken ramen at Wagamamas, I guess, which is, you know, still quite calorific, still quite carby, but it really is the best thing on the menu there, if you're going for low calories, low carbs. That's the pretzel, and that's what I finished up with. So still under maintenance, just a little bit over what I've been going for recently in terms of calories. I've been going for, I think it was 1665 calories a day. The next video is going to be a kind of quick guide to calculating your macros, so please don't base yours off mine because they're different for everybody. Alright? Yeah, so I had 234 grams of carbs, 40 grams of fat. That's quite low. I tend to try and get 60 grams. And protein was quite low as well. It's 98. I would usually try and go for 130 or so. But anyway, it's right. Yep, so that's it. I'm gonna end the clip here. I hope you liked this video. I'm sorry it's not amazing and I didn't do anything, you know, crazy entertaining or anything, but I hope you liked it all the same, and I hope that you like my next video. Please subscribe, etc. And that's all. See you next time.